Hey guys, just an update. We're a week out from surgery yesterday. Everything's going pretty good. As you see, I took my cast off, which wasn't supposed to come off until the 13th, but it was getting all hot and sweaty here in Arizona, and I just wear my get a picture of my adjustable brace there. That way I can take it off and kind of let my arm air a little bit. Healing pretty good. It's a little red. That's from I have a little bit of reaction to the stuff they had on there, the steri strips, whatever you want to call them. I put some new ones on. I don't know if you can see it in some Tegaderm, but it's healing pretty good. I'm a little slow on healing when it comes to cuts and stuff like that, so this is kind of normal for me. Still have a little bit of swelling, and that's normal for me also. My other arm did the same thing when I had surgery on it, actually way worse. I do elevate at night. It's hard to do that during the day when I'm working, but I do as much as possible. But it feels good. I can straighten it pretty good, but I got yelled at by my wife for doing that, so I try not to do it too much, but it doesn't really hurt to do it. But it's feeling decent. A little flabby there on the bicep, but don't really want to do too much flexing yet or nothing like that. So it's only been a week. But other than that, it's feeling really great. I can pronate decent before it starts to stretch a little bit. Supinate's the same thing, about as far as I can supinate before I can just start to feel it. I just don't want to push it too hard. Finger movement's great, back, forth, all that stuff. Yeah, that's a week out. Post-op, feeling pretty good. Not following doctor's orders too much with leaving the cast on, but I hate wearing those darn things, and they annoy the crap out of me. Much rather have something. I do wear a compression sleeve to help with the swelling. I just didn't have time to put it on this morning at home, so I got to do it here at work. And then I'll put the brace back on. But yeah, I wear the brace all day, so you can see a little bit of some swelling in the lower forearm there on the outside. It's just kind of. So I do that. That's just normal for me. But yeah, feels good. Whoops. See, I accidentally straightened it out pretty good there. Not even thinking about it. But kept doing that yesterday too. I took a shower. Finally, was able to get in the water and had to redo all the bandage. And I was sitting on the couch. I'd just forget about it and reach for something, and it didn't hurt. But I really realized, oh crap, I straightened it out all the way. But it didn't bother me. I just don't want to make sure the sutures are healed before I do anything like that. Too much, and then my wife yells at me. So, but that's just an update. A week out. It was a week yesterday. I just didn't have time to do a video. But feeling pretty good. I think recovery is going to be pretty good. I do take collagen peptides, which I do anyhow. But I've kind of upped the dose on those. On the powder, just see if that helps the healing process a little faster. I have a bunch of stuff to do. I need to get this healed as quick as possible without re-injuring it. So there you go. It's a week out. Any questions? Let me know down below. Thanks.